Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to give your YX website that extra touch of professionalism, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a favicon to your YX site. Now if you're not familiar, a favicon is that little icon that appears in browser tabs right next to your site's title. It might seem like a small detail, but adding your own favicon can make your site stand out, help your brand look polished, and even make it easier for people to spot your site when they have a lot of tabs open. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how and why to upload your own custom favicon in YX. Let's get right to it. First up, you'll want to head to your site's dashboard. If you're not already there, just log into your YX account, pick the website you want to work on, and this will take you straight to the dash. The dashboard is basically your website's control center. From here, you can access all your settings, stats, and editing options. On the left pane, you'll notice a menu that runs vertically along the side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where YX keeps all the behind-the-scenes tools you need to fine-tune your website. Don't worry if it feels a little overwhelming at first, everything's organized, and you'll get used to the layout pretty quickly. Once you're in Settings, look for the Website Settings option and give that a click. This section holds a bunch of important features, but today we're only interested in one, your favicon. Now you'll need to scroll down the page until you spot the part labeled favicon. Sometimes it might take a moment to find, just take your time scrolling. It's usually not too far down. Here's something important to keep in mind. YX requires you to have a premium plan in order to add a custom favicon. So if you're currently on a free plan, you'll see a notification or a prompt that encourages you to upgrade. I know that might be a little disappointing, but if you're serious about your website's branding and want that professional touch, it can be worth considering. Upgrading gives you the option to fully customize your branding, and the favicon is just a piece of that puzzle. Once you've upgraded to premium, the process becomes super straightforward. Right in the favicon section, you'll see a plus button. It usually looks like a little square with a plus sign in it. This is what you click to upload your own favicon image. As a quick tip, make sure your favicon file is a square image, typically 32 by 32 pixels in size, and saved as a PNG or ICO format for best results. When you click the plus button, you'll be prompted to select your image file from your device. Just choose your favicon, hit upload, and YX will take care of the rest. Your new favicon will start appearing in browser tabs, on bookmarks, and anywhere else your website's icon is used. It can take a few minutes for the changes to go live everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it pop up instantly. And that's really all there is to it. Adding a favicon in YX is quick once you know where to look, and it tells the world you care about your brand, right down to the tiniest detail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another YX trick you want to see explained. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow web tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.